Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding an Python code to find the maximum difference between two numbers in a given set of array. For that I'm just making an user defined definition. In that I'm just calling the array and its size, and I am setting the maximum difference as array 1 minus array 0, and then I'm just creating loop for array size and also for its range, and then creating and for maximum difference I'm creating a equation, then returning that function. By using that function we have used over here and finding the maximum difference between these numbers like 5 3 6 7 4, and here its maximum number is determined as 4. So if you want to find for some other different numbers means, for 8 I think there will be no difference, maximum is 5 only. But sometimes there will be no difference. So it varies based on the numbers which you are choosing. That's all, thank you. In our next video we will just show some basics like Python, so in Python and MATLAB and in Veka. So if you are in need of some other basic videos, demo means, please let us know in our comment box. Thank you.